Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get free Spotify Premium on iOS. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access to Spotify. And one thing that you have to remember is on iOS devices, getting free premium features is significantly harder because Spotify plus files, those methods often get revoked quickly by Apple, requiring constant reinstallation. So what you can do is instead, you can go to the premium section and get yourself a premium, because there is a free trials. For example, you can say free for 2 months. You can tap on get started. Right, once you do that, you should be able to, once you have got yourself a Spotify Premium, you will have 2-month free trial. You can use it for free, and then later you can go ahead cancel it if you don't need it anymore. That is the only way for you to get a free trial or free Spotify Premium on your iOS device. So that's it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.